Good morning, students. Continue simple equations. Discuss first one. 14x minus 5x minus 9 minus bracket of 4 minus 3x minus of again bracket 2x minus 3, one bracket close, remaining second bracket close. Okay, na? Equal 30, then x equal. Okay, na? First, write the given equation. 14x minus 5x minus 9 minus of first bracket 4 minus 3x minus second bracket 2x minus 3 second bracket close and first bracket close. Okay, equal 30. First is simplified on the 14x minus multiply 5x and minus 9. Okay, then the bracket meaning is the minus and the two terms ki multiply it. First minus into this a plus 5x minus into plus 5x minus 5x minus 5x. This minus into minus plus 1 into 9 9 minus into minus 9 plus 9 minus bracket of it is 4 minus 3x 4 minus 3x. This minus multiply the two terms. This minus of 4 bracket kar. This minus and the two terms ke multiply it. Minus into plus 3x is minus 2x. Okay. Next minus into minus 3 plus 3 equals 30. Okay. Next plus 14x minus 5x. Plus 14x minus 5x plus 9x plus 9x. Next it is plus 9 is minus of in the constant terms added number plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x equal 30. Okay, na? Next 9x is plus 9 minus multiply e two terms ki minus into plus 7 minus 7 minus into minus 5x plus 5x. Okay, na? Equal 30. Next brother plus 9x plus 5x entera 14x plus 5x plus 9x 14x plus 7 minus 7 plus 2 equal 30. Next the constant terms move to RHS. Plus 2 move to RHS minus 2. The 14x equal 30 minus 2. 14x equal 30 minus 2 28. Then x quotient is 14. LHS side. Then after is divisible. Therefore x equal 28 by 14. 14 one time is 2 times. Therefore x equal 2. Note this one. Okay, next. Second one 25x minus 19 minus bracket of 3 minus again bracket 4x minus 5 is first second bracket close and is first bracket close. Okay. Equal 3x minus bracket of 6x minus 5 bracket of 6x minus 5 then x equal. First write the given equation. Solution 25x minus 19 minus of first bracket is 3 minus second bracket is open 4x minus 5 first second bracket close. Next the first bracket close. Okay, equal ఇది 3x minus 6x minus 5 bracket off. Okay, next 25x minus 19 minus 3. First the second bracket simplify them. 3 minus into plus 4x minus 4x minus into minus 5 plus 5 bracket close. Okay na? Second bracket मतलब close है फिर therefore equal 3x minus into plus 6x minus 6x minus into minus 5 plus 5 minus into minus 5 plus 5. Next the 25x is minus 19 minus half plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is minus 4x equals plus 3x minus 6x minus 3x plus 5. Next 25x minus 19, the minus multiply bracket 2 terms. Minus 8 into plus 8 minus 8 minus into minus plus 4x equals minus 3x plus 5. Okay, next. Then there are 25x plus 4x, 29x. 29x minus 19 minus 8 minus 27 minus 27 equal minus 3x plus 5. Minus 3x move to LHS plus 27 move to RHS. 29x plus 3x equal 5 plus 27 plus 29 plus 3 32. 32x equal 32. Therefore x equals 32 by लेकुंडे ना कुछ रहा numerator cancel 32 one times 32 one times. Therefore x equal 1. X equal 1. Notice करूँगा. Okay ना? Next. Third one. X plus 1 into 2x plus 1 equal x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 is minus 14. Then x equal. Okay now. First write the given equation. X plus 1 into 2x plus 1 equal x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 is minus 14. First multiply e two brackets. In some first bracket of first element multiply into second bracket of first element. Then x into 2x. X into 2x. Okay na? Next first bracket of first element, then second bracket of second element, x into 1 plus x into 1. Next the plus first bracket of second element into second bracket of first element, the plus 1 into plus 2x plus 1 into 2x. Next second first bracket of second element into second bracket of second element plus 1 into 1 equal. Next same answer. First bracket of first element into second bracket of first element, x into 2x. X into 2x. Okay na? Next first bracket of first element multiply into second bracket of second element plus x into 3. Next 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x. 3 3s are 3 into 3 is minus 14. Remain. Simple. X into 2x is 2x square is plus 8 plus 2x plus 1 is 2x square plus 3x plus 6x plus 9 minus 14. Okay, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1, x, 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 1, 1 is LHS side. Then RHS side. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 3, 3x, x into 2x, 6x, 3 3s are 9, remaining is minus 14. Okay. Therefore, LHS enter 2x square. RHS 2x square get cancelled. ఎందుకన్నా ఇది move to LHS 2x square minus 3x square enter 0 నే కదా. Then cancel చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. LHS side and RHS side. ఇది 2x square get cancelled. Next. ఇది plus x plus 3x రా. ఎంత plus x plus 3x ఇది plus 1 equal ఇది 3x plus 6x plus 9 minus 14 minus 5. Then LHS side plus 3x, RHS side plus 3x is cancelled. ఎందుకు 3x move to LHS minus 3x plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Okay na? Next. Therefore, ఇది 1 equal 6x minus 5. Then minus 5 move to LHS plus 5. 1 plus 5 equal to 6x. Therefore, 6 equal 6x or x equal 6x same meaning. 6 equal 6x and 6x equal 6 and same meaning. Okay na? Therefore, this 6 one time is 6 one times. Therefore, x equal to 1. Intara x equal to 1. Note చేసుకోండి. Next one, fourth one. X plus 1 whole square minus x square minus 1 equal x into 2x plus 1 x into 2x plus 1 minus 2 times of x plus 2 minus 2 times of x plus 2 minus 2 times of x plus 2 into again bracket x plus 1 plus 20 plus 20. Then x equal. Then x equal. First write the given equation. Write x plus 1 whole square minus x square minus 1 equals x into 2 times of x plus 1 minus 2 times of x plus 2 into x plus 1 into plus 20. ఇది a plus b whole square ఫార్ములా కదా. నేను సింప్లిఫై. Therefore, a plus b whole square అంటే x square plus 2x plus 1 minus into plus x square minus x square minus into minus 1 plus 1 equal. Okay. Then x multiply 2x and 1 ra. First multiply first term 2x into x 2x square. Next x into 1 x plus x into plus 1 plus x. Next is minus 2. First bracket of first element, second bracket of first element. X into x square. Okay. Next x into 1 x. Next 2 into x 2x. Next 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 20. Okay. Next one. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్లస్ x స్క్వేర్ ఈ మైనస్ x స్క్వేర్ గెట్ క్యాన్సల్. రిమైనింగ్ ఓన్లీ ఈ 2x ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 ఇది ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2. దేర్ఫోర్ ఈక్వల్ ఇది 2x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ x మైనస్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇది x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ x ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ 3x ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 20. నెక్స్ట్ 2x ప్లస్ 2 ఇది 2x స్క్వేర్ ఇది ప్లస్ x మైనస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ ఇందులో మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ప్లస్ 3x మైనస్ 6x. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ప్లస్ 2 మైనస్ 4 ప్లస్ 20. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ప్లస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2x క్యాన్సల్. నెక్స్ట్ వేరియబుల్ ఉందా x కోసం వన్ సైడ్ రాయండి. ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ x ఎంత మైనస్ x మైనస్ 6x ప్లస్ 6x. ఓకే ఎంత రెండే కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి ఇది మైనస్ 4 ప్లస్ 20 ప్లస్ 2 ఏమి కదా మైనస్ 2. ఓకేనా. ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 6 ప్లస్ 8 ప్లస్ 8 మైనస్ 1 7 7 8. ఓకేనా. ఎంత మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ 2 మైనస్ 6 minus 6 plus 20 plus 14. Okay, now therefore x equal 14 by 7, 7 one times, 3 two times, x equal 2 now. X equal 2. Now just for me. Okay, now next. Suffix to 1. 2 times of x plus 1 into x plus 3. 2 times of x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus 8 equal 2x plus 1 into x plus 5. Okay, now 2x plus 1 of x plus 5. Whole bracket. First, then x equal. Then x equal. First, write the given equation. Solution. First, 2 times of x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus 8 equal 2 times of x plus 1 into x plus 5. First, you multiply 2 brackets and you multiply 2 brackets. First, 2 times of x into x, x square. X into x, x square. Then x into plus 3. Okay, x into 3, right? Plus 3x. Next 1 into x plus x. Next 1 into 3 plus 3 plus 8 equal next 2x into x. First bracket of first element into second bracket of first element. The 2x into x, 2x square. Next the first bracket of first element into the second bracket of second element, 2x into 5. 2 5 is 10. The plus 10x. Okay, na? Next first bracket of second element into second bracket of first element. First bracket of second element into second bracket of first element. This 1 into extra. 1 into x, x plus. Next first bracket of second element into second bracket of second element. Here first bracket of second element 1, second bracket of second element 5. Multiply the 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. Next. This is 2 times of x square plus 3x plus x plus 4x. This is plus 3 plus 8 equal this is 2x square plus 10 plus 1 plus 11x. This is plus 5. Okay, this 2 the multiply the 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 4 the 8x. Next 2 3 the 6. This is plus 8. 2x square plus 11x is plus 5. Okay, na? 2x square get cancel. Next one. Variables and the x portion the 8x plus 11 minus 7x. Okay, now this 5 in the minus 6 minus 8. Simplify it. The 8x to 6 plus 8, 14. The 11x to plus 5. Okay, next. The 8x minus 11x is 5 is minus 14. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. 5 minus 14 minus 9. X equal minus 9 by minus 3. 3 one time, 3 times. X equal minus by minus plus. The plus into 3 plus 3 equal to plus 3. Note this one. Okay, now next. Sixth one. 6 times of x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 2 times of x square minus 1 equal 4 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2 minus 24. Then x equal. First, write the given equation solution. 6 times of x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 2 times of x square minus 1 equal 4 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2 minus 24. First, we multiply 6 into ఈ 3 terms కి multiply చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే మొత్తం బ్రాకెట్ కదా, ఈ బ్రాకెట్ ఉన్న ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్ కి 6 multiply అవుతుంది. First 6 into x square ఎంత 6x square. Okay. Next 6 into minus 3x minus 18x. 6 to the 12. Next enter అది minus 2x square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Next equal 4 times of x into x square. Okay. Next x into 2x. Next x into 1 x. Next 1 into 2 minus 24. The 6x square minus 2x and 4x square. Next remaining in the minus 18x. Next plus 12 plus 2 plus 14. Okay. Next is 4 times of x square plus 2x plus x plus 3x. And the plus 2 is minus 24. Okay. Next 4x square minus 18x plus 14 equal, then 4 multiply is 3 terms plus 3 terms ki multiply karega 4x square 4 3 is 12 12x plus 8 minus 24. LHS side 4x square or just 4x square get cancel. You can just minus 4x square plus 4x square minus 4x square 0. Next minus 18x plus 14 equal the 12x plus 8 minus 24 plus 8 minus 24 minus 16 next. Okay, next is the minus 12. Let's just move here the minus 18x minus 12x equal minus 16 minus 14. Minus 18 minus 12 minus 30 equal minus 16 minus 14 minus 30. Therefore x equal minus 30 by minus 30. 31 times cancel. Minus by minus positive. Therefore x equal plus 1 or x equal to 1. Note this one. Okay, next. Seventh one. 2x minus 5 times of 3x minus 7. Next again 2x minus bracket of 3x minus 7 times of 4x minus 5 bracket close. Next first bracket close equal 66. Then x equal. First write the given equation. 2x minus 5 times of 3x minus 7 times of 4x minus 5. First bracket close, next second bracket close. Equal 66. Then simplify. First 2x minus 5 times of 3x is 7 multiply minus 7 multiply 2 terms together. Minus 7 into plus 4x. Minus 7 into plus 4x. In the 7 4 the 28. If negative is positive. Minus 28x. Minus 7 to minus 5. First minus into minus plus is 7 5 the 35. 7 5 the 35 equal 66. Next, 2x minus 5 times of, okay, 2x minus 5 bracket of plus 3x minus 28x. The plus 3 minus 28 minus 25x. Minus 25x. Next, plus 35 equal 66. Okay, next, the 22x minus 5 into minus 25. Minus to minus plus 525 the 125x. Okay, next, minus into plus minus 35 5 times. 5 5 is 25 the 175 equal 66. Next, plus 2x plus 125x plus 127x. 127x, the 66 minus 175 move to RHS 175. The 127x equal the 175 66. The 5 plus 6 1 1 14 1 241. The 241. Next, 241. Therefore, x equal 241 by 127. Therefore, x equal 241 by 127. Example, sorry. 2x minus 5 of 3x minus 7, 4x minus 5, bracket close, 7 4 the 28, minus 2 minus plus 35, plus 3 minus 28 minus 25. Okay, next, plus 35, okay, minus 5 into minus 25 plus 125, minus into minus, minus into plus minus 5 25 35 times 175. Okay, next, 2x plus 125 127 minus 175 move to RHS plus 66 171 241. Therefore, x equal 241 by 127. చూడాలి క్యాన్సిలేషన్ ఎక్కడన్నా 241 by 127. 3 times not possible. 3 on 7 times 7 1 time remaining 57 not possible. Next, 127. So cancel కదా. Therefore, x equal 241 by 127. Next, next 81. 5x minus 3x minus 7 minus 4 bracket of 4 minus 2x minus 6x minus 3. Bracket close, next bracket close, equal 10, then x equal. Okay, first write the given equation. 5x minus 3x minus 7 minus 4 minus 2x minus of 6x minus 3 equal 10. Okay. Simplify 5x minus multiply is 2 terms together. Minus into plus 3x minus 3x minus 2 minus plus 7 minus 4 minus 2x minus into plus 6x minus 6x minus into minus 3 plus 3 equal 10. Okay, next, minus 5x plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x plus 7 minus plus 4 plus 3 7 minus 2x minus 6x minus 8x equal 10. Next, the 2x minus 6x plus 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 is plus 7 is minus 7 minus into minus plus 8x equals 10. Plus 7 minus 7 is cancelled. The plus 2x plus 8x is 10x equal 10. 10 one time, 10 one time gets cancelled. Therefore, x equal 1. No difference. ఓకేనా టుడే క్లాస్ కంప్లీట్ రిమైన్ టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ టుమారో